Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out from your account on Google Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the Google Wallet application, you will notice that you are automatically logged in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, you have various different options to check within your Google Wallet if you tap on the account option at the top right corner. Now you have the option to click on the drop-down menu from which you can switch between various different accounts that are logged in within your device. However, there is no option to log out at all. So if you wish to log out from Google Wallet, long press on the application and tap on the application info button. From this page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and then tap on OK to stop the app. Once the application is stopped, scroll down and tap on storage. And now from the storage page, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and tap on delete, which will delete all of your user data for Google Wallet, which includes your saved account information and login. Now you have been logged out from your Google Wallet account. However, if you tap on the wallet application, you will once again be automatically logged in using your Google ID. So in order to prevent this, you will need to sign out from your Google ID or you will need to uninstall the Google Wallet app. And there you have it. That is how you can log out from your Google Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.